The products and treatments from New York Skin Solution did bring really good changes to my life. My name is Nurul Armani. I am a 23-year-old student. My skin concern revolves around having sensitive skin due to hormonal imbalance. So I would have oily skin and dry skin around certain areas, such as my eyes and my nose. Because of this, I would have acne and acne scarring. How I discovered New York Skin Solutions and why I chose New York Skin Solutions was through my mother. She actually recommended the exact branch to me. I felt like it looked like a promising place, very professional looking, and it made me feel secure to use them. I could see visible results after the second to third treatment, and my clogged pores are minimized. It was mostly just the scarring at that time. After 2 months of treatment in New York Skin Solution, I actually started seeing that my scars would clear up. And now it's been already 1 year since I started my treatment, and I would still go for treatment once or twice a month. The treatments and products from New York Skin Solution did bring changes to my life. The active clear cleanser specifically was not too harsh on my skin, and the serum made my skin smoother. I am very satisfied with New York Skin Solution services. If you have acne problems like me, trust that New York Skin Solution can help with your problem.